Little. It means almost nothing. It is used with uncountable nouns. We use it with things we can't count. For example, time, water, sugar, etc. A little. It means some but not much. It is used with uncountable nouns. For example, a little sugar, a little help. The little. It is used with uncountable nouns. It suggests a small amount. For example, the little knowledge. Few. It means almost none. It is used with countable nouns, things we can count. For example, few friends, few apples, etc. A few. It means some but not many. It is used with countable nouns. For example, a few books, a few ideas. The few. It is used with countable nouns. It implies small number of items. For example, the few students. Let's practice some sentences using few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. I need a little coffee to start my day. I need a little coffee to start my day. There are a few emails in my inbox. There are a few emails in my inbox. She has little time to exercise before work. She has little time to exercise before work. We have little milk for breakfast. We have little milk for breakfast. He watched a few TV shows last night. He watched a few TV shows last night. I added a little salt to the soup. I added a little salt to the soup. There are a few tasks left on my to-do list. There are a few tasks left on my to-do list. She made a few phone calls today. She made a few phone calls today. There are a few minutes until my meeting starts. There are a few minutes until my meeting starts. There is little space in the garage. There is little space in the garage. He has little time to relax after work. He has little time to relax after work. We have a few eggs left in the fridge. We have a few eggs left in the fridge. The few emails I check are urgent. The few emails I check are urgent. He ate little office lunch. He ate little office lunch. The few moments we had together were special. The few moments we had together were special. A little bit of milk is enough for the recipe. A little bit of milk is enough for the recipe. I have a few candles left. I have a few candles left. I have a few questions for the teacher. I have a few questions for the teacher. Can you give me a little more time to finish this? Can you give me a little more time to finish this? She has few friends in the new city. She has few friends in the new city. A few students understood the lesson. A few students understood the lesson. Can you spare me a few minutes of your time? Can you spare me a few minutes of your time? The few books on the shelf are valuable. The few books on the shelf are valuable. She showed little interest in the subject. She showed little interest in the subject. Can I have a little milk in my coffee? Can I have a little milk in my coffee? The little water left in the bottle was not enough for everyone. The little water left in the bottle was not enough for everyone. The little time we had together was special. The little time we had together was special. Few people came to the meeting. Few people came to the meeting. She made a few changes to the document. She made a few changes to the document. She completed a few tasks before lunch. She completed a few tasks before lunch. There are a few types of juice in the fridge. There are a few types of juice in the fridge. The little snack I have is healthy. The little snack I have is healthy. The few minutes of exercise are effective. The few minutes of exercise are effective. She put a little salt on her food. She put a little salt on her food. I need a little help. I need a little help.